Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will cover the further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So, in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. And as usual, firstly, we are declaring three variables by referring the IBM official website. And once variable declaration is done, then we are good to use RTVSYSVAL command. So simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Here you can pass two values. First is the parameter for the system value which you want to retrieve from the system. Second is the variable name where you want to hold it. Okay, now if you want to know more about this value, you can press F1 on this screen and it will open a help window for you where you can find the description of all the values that we can retrieve from the system. So basically it will provide the description for all possible output that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so once you got the information, then you can directly copy the value name and you can pass it with the variable where you want to hold the output. These are the value that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So today we are going to discuss about the QPWDEXPITV, this value. Before that we will discuss QPWDCHGBLK, which means here it is mentioned specifies the time period during which a password is blocked from being changed following the prior successful password change operation. Okay, the system value does not restricted password changes made by the change user profile chg user profile command. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Now what are the possible outcome for this command? First one is star none, which means there is no restriction on how frequently a user can change a password. Second is 1 to 99, indicate the number of hours a user must wait after the prior successful password change operation, okay, before they can change the password again. Now the third value we can discuss is QPWDEXPITV, which means the number of days for which password is valid. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Possible outcomes are star no max means a password can be used in an unlimited number of days. Second is 12366, which means the number of days before password ends. Now the third value is QPWDEXPWRN, which controls the number of days prior to the password expiring to begin displaying password expiration warning message on the sign-on information display. Possible outcome is 1 to 99, indicate the number of days prior to the password expiring to begin displaying the password expiring warning message. Okay, so we got the information. Now we will just simply paste the value name along with the variable. So after these three lines got executed, we will retrieve the output in the variable and then we are printing it. So for printing we are using sndpgmmsg command, and those value which are already of type character we can pass it directly, otherwise we have to convert it to character like we are doing for the third value which is of type decimal, so we are converting it to character using %char. Now let's compile it and see what output we are retrieving from this. So I'm calling it. First output is all 024, then all 0180 and then 7. So this is how we can utilize the RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.